Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to see your YouTube recap. Now you should know that you should have the latest update of YouTube application. So go to your Play Store or App Store, then you want to search for YouTube and you want to click on YouTube like so, and make sure that you have the latest update for your YouTube application. Now go and click on open. After you click on open, go and click on the U icon on the bottom right side. And when you scroll down more, here you should see it as an option, YouTube recap. Now I'm recording this video on 5th December, so this feature might not be visible to all users at once at the same time. So some people may get it at the beginning of December, some people may get it at the half of the month on 10th December, on 7th December, etc. So it really depends on how YouTube do the analysis to your own content that you have actually watched it throughout the year. And after they update this feature, it will be displayed just right here in the bottom in this section, and you can access it easily. But make sure to go and see it every single day. So every single day, try to check if you have an update on YouTube or not. Then you want to go and open the YouTube application, go to use section, then go scroll down and see and check if you have the option to see the recap or not. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.